Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make a swift payment using Wise. Whether you are sending money internationally or paying in different currencies, Wise makes it easy. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Wise account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on Send Money at the top of the dashboard. Now enter the amount you want to send and select the currency for the recipient. You will see Wise's transparent exchange rate and how much the recipient will get after fees. Then in the next step, under how would you like to send? Choose the Swift payment option. Swift is perfect for international transfers to bank accounts in countries that don't support direct wire transfers. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's bank details, including their Swift code, account number, and bank name. Double check the information to avoid any errors. Finally, review the details, confirm the payment, and fund the transfer using your linked bank account, debit card, or other available options. Once completed, you will get a confirmation and can track your payment in the Wise app. And that's it, you have successfully made a Swift payment using Wise. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money transfer tips. Thanks for watching.